So in this short video, I just wanted to show you the potential of swing trading because it's very important that before you learn about swing trading, you know the kind of potential that it has. So I'll just show you some charts and I'll show you the kind of potential that swing trading has. So this is the chart of Blue Dart. I had mentioned about Blue Dart on 30th September, and I think it was 88.50 that I mentioned the price, and you can see it went up about 9% in a matter of 2 days, because this is where I'd mentioned. So 2.5 days it went up about 9%, and this was based simply on a trend line analysis, trend line plus breakout analysis, on the basis of which I had taken this trade, and you can see that it went up nearly 9% in 2.5 days. This is Hindalco. I had shared the chart of this stock here on 29 September, and since then you can see it's gone up over 11% in about 4.5 days. So this was basically a support, a trade taken on the basis of a support. So again, a very simple trade that has yielded more than 10% return in a matter of 3 to 4 days. This is Apollo Microsystem. I had spoken about this here on 5th September at 156. Since then it went up 24% in a matter of, you can see from here, in about 22 bars. So in a month it's gone up about 24%, and this was a trend line plus breakout plus retracement trade, and you can see that the potential is extremely huge. If you can earn 20 plus returns in a single month on a trade, that is very, very significant. This is M&M. I'd spoken about this here. This is the 3rd of June, when it was, I think, 1037, and today it is at 1256. It made a high of 1338. So from here it went up more than 28%, and this was again a trend line breakout plus retracement, plus in the future, as you can see, using supports and resistances. So this was a trade that utilized all the concepts, and you can see 28% return in a matter of a few weeks. This is Yes Bank. I had spoken about this here on the 16th of August when it was at 1555. All these I've posted in the group, so you can search also. This was a volume analysis trade, and you can see that it actually went about 17% in a matter of 17 bars. So less than a month it gave about 17% return. Very simple trade based on volume analysis. Now this is Elecon Engineering, and this one I'd spoken about some time back. I'd spoken about it, I think, on 30th May when it was around 190, 195, and this was a breakout plus retracement, trend line plus breakout plus retracement trade, and you can see that it went from around 200 to 415. So it gave you more than 100% return in 74 days. So you can just imagine the kind of potential that swing trading has. If it gives you more than 100% return in, say, you could say 3 to 4 months of time, that is extremely huge. Another trade that was quite similar was Galaxy Bearing. This one I'd given on the basis of a weekly chart. I think I'd spoken about this on 14th of April or 13th of April, when it was around 450 or 460, somewhere around that level. And you can see from here it went up 100%, and you can see that, the time that it took was 25 bars, 175 days. So you are doubling your money in significantly less than a year. So this is the potential of technical analysis, of accurate price action analysis. If you have your concepts clear and if you work hard at it, getting 15-20% return even in a month is not a big deal if you know how to identify the stocks, how to identify breakouts, how to analyze price action, when to enter, when to exit. The potential is at least 6 to 8%, up to 30 to 40% in a matter of a few weeks, say 1 to 2 months. More than that, say 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, you can even double your money if you've picked the correct stock. So I just wanted to make this short video for you to understand the kind of potential that you're opening yourself up to for the investment in terms of money and time that you're making through the program.